As you know, Nebraska, like every other state in the United States, faces a shortage of healthcare workers both now and looking forward into the future. COVID has only served to solidify the need for a workforce strategy for all of the kinds of healthcare workers, especially nurses, but healthcare workers across the spectrum. Bryan College of Health Sciences has continued to address those needs, do its part by increasing enrollment over these last semesters. In fact, 4 semesters in a row with record enrollments, and possibly one, we're awaiting the final results, possibly one even this coming fall. We serve students from all over Nebraska and return roughly 45% of those back to the rest of Nebraska again when they graduate. I'm excited today to announce another initiative to address healthcare workforce needs in Nebraska. Bryan College of Health Sciences and Hastings College are announcing a partnership, an education partnership, to develop a healthcare workforce strategy for South Central Nebraska. Lots of planning is going to happen over the next several months, but the end goal is this, that in the fall of 2022, we will have our first classes at a second Bryan College of Health Sciences site in Hastings. Why South Central Nebraska? A lot of reasons. Bryan has healthcare partnerships with hospitals and communities, and that's part of our mission all throughout Nebraska. We continue to look for different ways to engage those healthcare partners there. We also have investments in that area. So as an example, Merrick Medical Center in Central City, Nebraska is part of the Bryan system. Grand Island Regional Medical Center, which opened up just last month in Grand Island through a joint venture with physicians, with the community members, with Mary Lanning Hospital, they're part of the Bryan system. And we have a joint venture with Mary Lanning Hospital in Hastings for cardiology services. We've had that for some time. So in essence, that joint venture is also part of our system. And we need a workforce strategy there to continue to support our investments in that area. A lot of keys to success, but none greater than this one. Rich Lloyd is going to be, while maintaining his role as the president of Bryan College of Health Sciences, the executive president of Hastings College. Rich is from Hastings. Rich grew up there. He went to college there. He was a professor there. He was an administrator there before going to Vermont and then coming back to Bryan. He's led a tremendous growth at our college here at Bryan College of Health Sciences, and he is uniquely positioned to understand the needs of South Central Nebraska, the capabilities of Bryan, and to merge those into a really dynamic strategy to continue to address those health workforce needs. So with that, I'm going to introduce you to Dr. Lloyd, and he's going to give you a few more specifics about this.
Thank you, Russ, very much. Good morning, everyone. As Russ mentioned, I'm Rich Lloyd, president of Bryan College of Health Sciences, and now into my 5th year serving in that role, and what a joy it has been and continues to be. I'm really excited to announce today that beginning September 1st, I'll also have the pleasure to serve as executive president of Hastings College. As a graduate of Hastings College, it is truly a special honor to have this opportunity to serve my alma mater in this way. Often in higher education, we see colleges competing against one another. In this case, though, 2 amazing colleges that have a combined history of over 200 years of educating students are modeling how we can find innovative ways to work together. So we are collaborating, focusing on meeting the needs of our students and the current and future workforce needs of our communities and state. We certainly know we need to expand our healthcare workforce as we face continued shortages in key areas like nursing, just as one of many examples. While I'm the one at the podium, credit and thanks goes to those who do the work, talented and dedicated faculty and students engaged in learning, and to our student-centered staff and administrators ensuring resources for success are in place and available. They, along with other community partners, will be at the center of conversations as we consider what's possible, what's doable, what's needed, and what we can do here and what we can do in Hastings and South Central Nebraska. My role then is a connector, supporting and meeting the mission of both institutions and keeping these really interesting and innovative conversations going. And my connector role will also include considering additional partnerships or opportunities that benefit each respective campus. The goal is clear in our work together: to create educational and career pathways of benefit to our students that serve both campuses and the larger communities we serve and have served. We really look forward to sharing updates and more good and exciting news in the days and months to come. Really grateful for the opportunity, look forward to what's ahead.